Hello kids! Today we're going on a magical adventure where we'll meet talking animals, explore enchanted forests, and discover hidden treasures. Ready to dive into this exciting story? Let's go!
Intrigued by the mysterious portal, the adventurous pet takes hesitant steps towards the unknown, his eyes wide with curiosity. The portal engulfs the brave wanderer, swallowing him whole as he ventures into the realm of the unseen, his heart pounding with excitement. A feathered companion emerges, introducing himself as a guide, offering wisdom and protection to the bewildered visitor in this mystical land. A formidable challenge awaits the unlikely pair as they confront the troll, testing their bravery and cunning in the face of danger. Together, the companions find solace in the camaraderie of newfound friends, each creature bringing unique strengths to navigate the obstacles ahead. Determined and focused, the friends embark on a daring mission, their hearts set on retrieving the coveted treasure hidden within the troll's grasp. The air crackles with tension as the daring escapade unfolds, pushing the boundaries of friendship and courage in the face of looming danger. The unexpected reaction of the defeated foe sparks a moment of levity, testing the newfound harmony among the fantastical inhabitants of this enchanting realm. Through unwavering teamwork and quick thinking, the companions emerge victorious, their spirits lifted by the shared triumph and the newfound sense of camaraderie. As the portal beckons him back home, the brave adventurer reflects on the journey that transformed him, his spirit forever marked by the magic of friendship and discovery. The moral of the story is that friendship and courage can overcome any obstacle. Through teamwork, mutual support, and the bravery to face the unknown, even the most daunting challenges can be met and conquered. The journey transforms individuals, teaching them the value of trust, companionship, and the strength found in unity.